mornings, mysteries, and the magic elixir, coffee with MCT oil. In a quaint little village, it's said that the locals wake up not just to the crowing of roosters, but to an aroma so enriching that even the birds perched by windows, hoping for a sip. The secret isn't just in their coffee beans but in a special, almost mystical ingredient they blend in, MCT oil. Have you ever wondered what might happen if you combine the alertness boost of your morning coffee with the sustained energy release of MCT oil? Why are fitness enthusiasts and cognitive workers raving about this blend? Could it be the secret to a more productive day? And does it truly deserve the hype, or is it just another fad in the long list of health trends? Before you draw any conclusions, let's take a moment. If you're keen to unlock the mysteries of this beverage, hit that like button, share this video with fellow coffee lovers, and subscribe to Very OK for more exciting and informative content. The tale of two powerhouses. Coffee, globally adored for its aroma and flavor, has long been celebrated for its antioxidant properties and the kick of energy it delivers. Then there's MCT oil, a concentrated source of medium-chain triglycerides, known for its quick absorption and conversion into energy. When the two combine, the result is Bulletproof Coffee. This blend promises not just an immediate jolt of energy but sustained alertness and focus, without the common coffee crash. Plus, with MCT oil's potential benefits on metabolism, some believe it aids weight management too. Why the blend? The logic is pretty straightforward. While coffee stimulates the mind and body, the fats in MCT oil provide a steady energy source, keeping you satiated and mentally sharp for longer. It's like marrying the thrill of a roller coaster with the steadiness of a scenic train ride. The big reveal. So, to answer the burning questions, is it the key to a productive day? For many, yes. The combination can potentially prolong the benefits of caffeine while minimizing its downsides. Is it just a fad? While trends come and go, the science behind MCT oil and its harmonious relationship with coffee is pretty solid. However, like all things, individual experiences might vary. As you sip your next coffee, perhaps consider giving it an MCT twist. After all, who wouldn't want to elevate their beloved brew to something even more magical? Possible side effects of Bulletproof Coffee. High caloric intake. The addition of MCT oil and butter can make your coffee calorie-dense. Ensure it fits within your daily caloric needs, especially if you're watching your weight. Digestive upset. Some people might experience diarrhea or stomach cramps initially when introducing MCT oil. It's recommended to start with a smaller dose and gradually increase. Cholesterol concerns. Regular consumption of large amounts of saturated fats, like butter, can impact cholesterol levels in some individuals. It's essential to monitor and discuss with a healthcare professional. Nutrient miss. Replacing a nutrient-rich breakfast with Bulletproof Coffee might mean you're missing out on essential nutrients. Ensure the rest of your meals are balanced and nutritious. Remember, while Bulletproof Coffee can be a delightful morning ritual for many, it's essential to listen to your body and make adjustments as necessary. Enjoy your invigorating and energizing brew. Let's dive into the world of Bulletproof Coffee and its variations. Classic Bulletproof Coffee. Ingredients: freshly brewed hot coffee 8 ounces, MCT oil 1 to 2 tablespoons, grass-fed unsalted butter 1 to 2 tablespoons. Instructions: brew a cup of your favorite coffee. In a blender, combine the hot coffee, MCT oil, and butter. Blend on high for 20 to 30 seconds until the coffee becomes creamy. Pour into a mug and enjoy. Variations to boost your morning coffee. Cinnamon spice coffee. Follow the classic recipe, but add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon before blending. Cinnamon can help stabilize blood sugar and adds a delightful spice to your coffee. Cocoa Delight. Add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder to the classic recipe for a mocha-inspired treat. Cocoa is rich in antioxidants. Turmeric Golden Coffee. Introduce a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to your Bulletproof blend. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, and black pepper increases its absorption. Vanilla Almond Bliss. Stir in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and replace butter with almond butter for a nutty, fragrant variation. Collagen Boost Coffee. Add 1 scoop of collagen peptides to the classic recipe. Collagen can be great for skin, hair, and joint health. Remember to listen to your body and consult with a health professional before making significant changes to your diet. And, as always, if this information stirred your curiosity, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Very Okay for more insights into the wonders of everyday ingredients.